Hi, my name is Joel Lisfons.
Olá, boa tarde. Meu nome é Jorge Abreu.
Hi, I'm Brad Faulkner.
My name is John Jonsson. I'm the Global Sales Leader for Thermal.
Hi, I'm Linda Kiss, and I'm here with Paul Becker.
Hi, I'm Ed Jarvis.
Happy anniversary, nVent. This is Amir Mahrani.
When I think about our one-year anniversary, I think about all the exciting moments over the year, and one most important is our most recent Investor Day. We're here in Redwood City, we highlighted our thermal management business, and we highlighted all the great things we're doing across one nVent.
One project I worked on this past year is the Arctic Step anti-icing cassette, which is used for preventing ice buildup on walkways on ships and offshore platforms in the Arctic. This was done with a very international team. We had team members from Norway, Poland, Belgium, Switzerland, the United States, and Canada, and now a sales team globally, just demonstrating the global nature of nVent.
As I reflect back on our first year as nVent, one of my proudest moments has had to be standing up our first Employee Resource Group, or ERG, which is actually centered around the environment. The name, the grassroots.
And right here in front of me is a project that we did in conjunction with EFS, where we have rail heating with product manufactured in Redwood City along with clips manufactured at our EFS sites to have a full solution for rail. So we're really excited about that, and we share that with our investors and investors.
I'm so proud to be part of this team, nVent team, and I'm so excited with the new possibilities.
For that, we got our very first nVent patent, and that is why we are excited about creating more and more innovation for the nVent brands.